This is not financial advice, not legal advice, for entertainment, educational purposes only. Anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. Listen, double check you're still subscribed to the channel. Double check your notifications are on. And if you hit that like button, double check it's working properly, because you know these bad actors are terrified of more people becoming aware of all the fraud and corruption in the United States stock market. Listen, double check your account for the scammers. They are coming after your XRP. They're coming after your stocks. They're coming after your money. Guys, listen, the reverse repo dropped $3 billion to like $26.897 billion. And this has to be putting a lot of pressure on the banks and the bad actors, naked shorting AMC GME, killed MMTLP, GNS, BINI, and WBO, because this lets us know that their liquidity is running out. For those of you who don't know, the reverse repo, it shows how much cash they have available to park with the feds, okay? And 2 years ago, it was over $2 trillion. Now we're down to $26.897 billion, which means that the liquidity is drying up like a river in the Sahara Desert, okay? And here's the other thing. They're reporting this number of $26.897 billion. We don't know if that number is true. The number could be a whole lot lower. What we've learned, especially over the last few days, is this. They will lie to us when it comes to the data. We saw everything we saw with the jobs report. You had 911,000 jobs that appeared out of thin air like a magic trick. The government, the market makers, the hedge funds, the prime brokers, they do not have to follow the law. They do not have to tell us the truth. They can do what they want, when they want, with no real repercussions. But here's the thing. Their liquidity is running out. In order for them to maintain the billions of counterfeit short positions that they have, they need to pay those fees every single week, every single month, but they are accumulated daily. They are accumulated daily. And once the liquidity is gone and the banks don't have the money to lend to these naked shorters, we're going to see some major changes in the market. And I'm not telling you to buy, hold, or sell any stock. I'm not telling you to buy, hold, or sell any crypto. I'm telling you that the banks are not going to drown with the naked shorters. When the bank's liquidity is gone, and we know it's going, they're closing down branches. They're hanging on by their fingernails. They're hanging on by their fingernails. So if they can't even keep branches open, you think they have excess money to give to bad actors naked shorting stocks in the United States stock market? Of course not. They are going to do what's best for the banks. And that means margin calls. That means forced liquidations. And when that happens, a lot of stocks are going to start rising to their true value. And some might even squeeze, okay? And I'm not saying stocks are going to squeeze, but I'm telling you that a lot of stocks that are being naked shorted by these bad actors are heavily undervalued. And the fact that the money that they need to keep these naked short positions open is running out is a great thing for people who are long on these stocks. Bottom line is this. The liquidity is running out. Their liquidity is running out, and once it's gone, there will be margin calls, there will be forced liquidations, and they're going to be forced to start covering all their naked short positions. Anyway, please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Do you think that the naked shorters are terrified that liquidity is only, well, the reported liquidity anyway, is only $26.897 billion? Anyway, have a great day. God bless, and I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.